Hello friends, I am Tushar. Welcome to my channel. I am here to help you in your studies and amplify your opportunities in the education. SPPU is conducting online and offline examination for BE students of academic year 2019-20. The examination will be of 50 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice type and each question will be of 1 mark. The student can attempt maximum 60 questions. This MCQ practice test series of subject advanced manufacturing processes is prepared in collaboration with Professor P.S. Talmale by Tushar Badgujar Online to support students for their final year examination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so when I upload a new video in this series, you will get notified. In this video, we are discussing Unit 2 of 2015 syllabus pattern. From given below, which one is not the process parameter of friction stir welding? Rotation speed, tilting angle, material used, downforce. And the answer is material used. In friction stir welding, small change in shape of tool can cause significant change in dash and quality of weld. Operational speed, tool quality, feed, removed chips. And the answer is A. Operational speed. Dash is the period of the starting stage of welding process in friction stir welding. Transient stage, dwell, pseudo steady state, none of these. And the answer is B. Dwell. Dash is the constant heat generation start in the beginning of the process. Transient heat, dwell, pseudo steady state, none of these. And the answer is A. Transient heat. Dash is the stage in which the thermal zone around the tool becomes steady. Transient stage, dwell, pseudo steady state, none of these. And the answer is C. Pseudo steady state. In electron beam welding, the tungsten filament heated up to high temperature at dash degrees Celsius 2500, 2200, 3000, 1800. And the answer is A. 2500. In electron beam welding, the dash filament heated up to high temperature at 2500 degrees Celsius. Titanium, carbide tool, tungsten, steel alloys. And the answer is C. Tungsten. From the following image, D shows dash zone. Parent metal, heat affected, thermomechanical affected, weld nugget. And the answer is D. Weld nugget. From the following image, C shows dash dash zone. Thermomechanical affected, parent metal, heat affected, weld nugget. And the answer is A. Thermomechanical affected. From the following image, B shows dash dash zone. Parent metal, thermomechanical affected, weld nugget, heat affected. And the answer is D. Heat affected. From the following image, A shows dash dash zone. Heat affected, parent metal, thermomechanical affected, weld nugget. And the answer is B. Parent metal. In electron beam welding, depth of penetration is depending upon electronic beam power, acceleration voltage, beam current, none of these. And the answer is B. Acceleration voltage. In laser beam welding, dash dash used to emit light. Cadmium lamp, fluorescent lamp, flash lamp, none of these. And the answer is C. Flash lamp. Laser beam welding is a dash dash joining process. Fission, fusion, coherent, plastic. And the answer is B. Fusion. Which of the following is used to direct laser beam? Glass apparatus, glass apertures, perforated glass sheets, flat optical elements, electromagnetic coils. And the answer is C. Flat optical elements.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.